Hey folks, I'm Walter, and on a recent live stream, somebody asked, when will the vaccine mandate go away? That's a really good question. Now, let me start by saying I'm not a medical expert. I don't work for the cruise line, so I have no inside or medical knowledge. But keep in mind that we get to visit the ships for a week, maybe 2 weeks. So we come on board and we leave. But the crew members sign contracts generally for 6 to 9 months. And that is their home. That ship is their home for 6 to 9 months. And while the vaccines are not 100% effective in preventing us from getting COVID, they have been shown to greatly reduce the chances of having major symptoms, of needing hospitalization, and from dying of the virus. And if you think about the medical facilities that are on board a cruise ship, they're absolutely amazing, but they are limited. And if a cruise ship was overrun with COVID like it was in the very beginning, with people needing hospitalization and severe treatment, the ship could not handle that. So from a standpoint of preventing the ship's medical system from being overwhelmed, I think the vaccine mandate is going to be around at least another year or two, so that those who do get infected on the ship will generally just have mild symptoms. They can either quarantine in place if they're on the crew, or they can quarantine and then go home if they're a passenger.